Okay, opt. Implement. Very slow it is.
Yeah.
Oh, what happens? I'll do one thing. I'll ping you some commands. Just execute it. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, it is very, very slow. Yeah, no problem.
I pinged you.
Okay. So I have to get installed. Has no installation candidate, it seems.
Oh,
What does that mean?
in that case, probably separately we have to get it. And what happens if you do update
Install
it?
it. Okay, can we, how to do update?
Sudo apt-get update. You can just run
Sudo,
this command.
sudo
Apt-get
apt, I mean
get.
hyphen apt.
Yeah, the same. Just instead of install, update without any sun Java or anything.
Okay.
Update. That's all. once it updates.
So, but I did not install any Java.
No, we will install
This
now,
command.
right?
Okay.
See, before doing Hadoop installation, we should have to have Java.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. No, that's what I'm telling. I did not install Java because I was searching for Java, but I couldn't find exactly which version we need to install. So I thought of
Okay,
asking you.
okay, 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 okay.
Actually, I installed something else. The screen was very small, so
Huh.
I was searching in the internet. I got something like this sudo hyphen apt-get and G10 something, a very big command line. After that, it installed something like this, and the screen became big.
J10.
Yeah, I can show you what was that command. Yeah, this was the command. So we have to get install VirtualBox guest TMG.
Which was the command?
Yeah. So we have to get install VirtualBox guest DKMS VirtualBox guest utility VirtualBox guest X11.
Okay.
And the screen was like only very small.
Basically, guest utilities, guest X11. Okay, so from also to open
Yeah.
devices, make mock CD-ROM to appear on. So this is to make the screen bigger, or is it just something else?
Yeah.
Install.
Actually, it is to make screen bigger. Something in
Okay,
that
the
manner.
Windows actually. Okay, the graphics version. Okay, that's fine. No issue.
It was giving only 608 by 602 pixels, so it was very small. You could not
Ah,
even
okay,
navigate
okay,
properly.
okay, okay, okay. So right now it is coming proper, right?
Yeah, it is very big right now. Complete screen.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Hmm.
I think it is done.
Then okay. Now you can try that previous command. Apt-get sudo apt-get install sun, the same command. No, install
Yeah, install sun dash.
sun
I don't remember that.
java 6 min
Installs.
dash jdk.
I spelled
JDK.
it. JTK. Sorry.
You typed JPK, I think. Yeah.
JTK.
Hmm.
It's not available, but is referred to be another package.
What is that it said? Reading package list is done, building dependency done, building staging is done. Package sun JDK6 is not available, but it is referred to another package. This may mean that package is missing, or has been obsoleted, or is only available from another source. However, the following packages replace it. Apt Y386.
Shall we search in internet saying what is the thing which we need to install?
Okay, so I think then we have to install it in a different way. After installing the dependency,
Yeah. I got a notification something saying Ubuntu 14.04 has experienced an internal error.
Oh, what is that? Sometime back or?
No, just now when I opened.
Oh, it's gone.
This is the thing which is asking us. USR library GNOME desktop 37 check
I think this
GL
is the
text
one
text
what
size.
you changed it, right? You made it bigger, right?
Yeah,
So this texture size only you have installed it. Is the same causing some issues or something?
no. Will it cause any difference?
I don't know because what I say is in Ubuntu if something is not there and if you install something that might cause some security issue or something, I don't know. Some security violation website is coming. One way is JDK 6 for Ubuntu 14.04, right?
Yeah. You see it is giving another code sudo apt-get install shit. Sudo apt-get install oracle -java 7 installer it seems. Will that work?
What is that? Where it is? This is the one, is it?
Internet.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. This, okay. Actually, okay, the first command, maybe it will change. What happens is, okay. No, not that
Should we
one.
try this?
First command you have to,
First one?
no, this is same as what we, in the first one you have to try first so
What
that
we already tried?
the report, uh, yeah,
This
the
is what
first
we
command we
earlier
should
did, right?
execute. We didn't
Okay.
do.
Then the second one. Okay. So which version shall I install? 7 or 8? I think these three commands are exactly the same. These two commands. Robert, it's asking some configuration Oracle J8 installer. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, are you able to hear me? Okay. So what
Yeah.
did
Yeah.
you try
I
now
can
for?
hear you.
Okay, for
Actually, I'm
Java
trying.
6 you.
I'm trying again. Yeah. Yeah. I
No, no,
instead of
update is
Java 8.
already done.
So okay. Let
See,
me. Okay.
okay. See what happened is
I'll
this
do.
update already we have done. Just we have to install Java 6. The same command what you tried earlier, right? We can try
Yeah. Yeah.
once. Java 6. I don't think this is like this, right?
Start.
Sun. No, no, not this one. The
Okay. The
sun.
command which you
That.
have given me. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Okay. Command which you have given. Okay. Okay.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. That's all.
Yeah. It's not working. Yeah.
Hopefully this will get installed.
Yeah.
If this is not, then we'll install 7. Because 8 if we'll
I don't.
install the huh. Yeah, tell me.
Yeah. It is telling has no installation candidate.
Oh, right now also the same problem it says.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Then we'll go for 7.
Yeah. Okay. So what would be the problem with 8? Means, do we lose
See,
any
it is
versions?
latest. Yeah, it is latest one. What might be happening is there might be some bugs or there might not be
Yeah.
stability, and another problem might be we don't know whether this
Hadoop
Hadoop
will
supports
affect
it.
it or yeah. Yeah.
Compatibility with
Yeah.
Hadoop works or not, because I have
Yeah.
only done with
6.
6, so we'll
Yeah.
see. Just we'll install 7 and then we'll see.
Yeah. So shall I do 7?
Yeah, yeah. We'll go ahead and do it. Then we'll see how what the upcoming problems. All this we are trying.
Yeah. I don't know. I was pressing yes and it has given another command. I don't know. I entered it again and all of a sudden it has. Yeah. This is what happened.
Ah, I was telling you, but what has
I said
happened is
no.
this
I think we have to do
audio
yes
got
here.
disrupted. Yeah, this is doing it. Yeah,
Yeah.
just go ahead with it. Let us see.
Why is it not coming here?
Ah, okay.
Okay. Here command C is not working. I am unable to do copy paste here with my keyboard.
Wait,
I don't know.
copy paste in the
This
sense?
yeah, control C is copy, right?
Ah, okay. No, in Linux that won't work. You have to use. I mean, from where you are copying, that depends. If it is in a VI
I'm
editor
from
or
copying
if
from
some
browser. That command I was trying to copy, right?
browser
So
command, it should work, right? Or Control C, or they have
yeah,
disabled data. No possible
I
that.
don't know. And other problem is in Mac, instead of control there is a command key which is very similar to control key in Windows.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there is a control key also. I was trying with control plus C, even then it was not working. So I have to use a mouse.
Okay, okay. Oh, okay. Not sure.
So maybe 6 is not working on 14. Maybe it is working only on 12. I don't know. Ubuntu 12.
Yeah. Looks like. So anyway, we'll see now.
Yeah, it is
Because
most of all it
everywhere
is going on.
only till 6. Yeah, now it is going through it. It'll go through only.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
It is
what we will
almost
do
done.
is once
Yeah.
this is
Sh-
done,
Shall,
what?
shall I download any Hadoop file?
Yeah. I'm just telling you. After this, what we will do is some couple of steps. What we have to do. We
Mm-hmm.
have to create a user. Okay.
Okay.
Called Hadoop or something, and
Mm-hmm.
uh, there basically we have to configure SSH. Okay. Once this
Okay.
SSH is done, then we have to disable IPv6. Okay. Then what we have to do
Disable
is IPv6.
IPv6. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then we have to download Hadoop and install.
Okay. And how big is Hadoop? Is it in GBs?
No, that will be within. That can be downloaded and same process again.
Okay. Means it is not too bulky.
No, not that bulky.
Yes.
Only worry factor now is which Hadoop version we will take. will take
Yeah.
because
Yeah. Means I was checking through the basics of different commands which are required in Linux, right? But majority are commands, right? It is very easy to use commands rather than navigation in Linux.
yeah, better is commands is true.
Yeah, so many commands are there. Like I got 8 pages of commands.
Very true.
Actually, at present we are using only IPv4, right? Isn't it
Right.
true?
Yeah. True. Yes.
Okay.
That is why we have to disable IPv6 on
IP6.
the machine.
Oh, okay. Okay. Actually, I was reading an article morning, means whether will Hadoop overcome this means relational database management systems. So it was a very
Okay.
interesting article written by somebody that it it would overcome this ETL problem, but it won't take the space of RDBMS because of transactions. There are some intermediate steps which be missing. Something he has written, but I couldn't understand that.
Okay.
Yeah, he was
Uh,
saying that
ye-
it won't replace RDBMS.
See what they're saying is as we had discussed, right? There are two things.
Yeah.
One is OLTP, one is
Yes.
OLAP. Right?
OLAP.
So
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
today if you see all the applications which are running today, which are, one is transaction based, like banking and all this,
Well,
where your
yeah,
bank transaction, credit card transaction, Visa transaction, Mastercard, all these are based on transaction processing. And another is
yeah,
OLAP, right? So basically
yeah,
it is focused
yeah,
towards analytics processing, not towards transaction processing.
yeah.
So later
Transaction
on
processing.
that might come up, but as of now that is not there. So not suitable for
Yeah,
transaction. That's why all data
transaction.
analytics which is happening through this. So
Yeah,
ETL is
that's what
towards
he has.
data analytics.
Yeah, it's going to save a lot of time. He has written something like every day he has to spend 3 hours or 4 hours to uh, extract data which has happened into some database warehouse by using Hadoop. There is no problem of doing that. Something he has written in that notes.
Exactly. Today also you are aware of SAP, right?
Yeah, yeah, SAP. Yeah, I did an
So
SAP course. Yeah.
to generate the report in SAP in a mid-sized company, normally today it takes around 5
Company.
hours or 8 hours. So what they
Wow,
do is
really?
they run the, huh. So for that what they do is in the night they'll run the report, in the morning they'll get the report or something like that. So,
Oh, I was not aware of this.
so at least this will take within minutes. I mean, some
Yeah,
15
yeah,
minutes or maybe within an hour.
within an hour. Yeah. Actually, he has
Hmm.
given a very good statistics of that. Initially, for 2 terabytes or something, it is like 100K of means $100,000. It has been happening, but now it can be, if you're using Hadoop, it would be done in only $1,200. It seems.
Yes, yes. Okay. Money was also very less, yes, because all are
Yeah,
open
very
source.
less.
Let me put my battery, otherwise it is going to die, I think. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
no worries. Yeah, carry on, carry on, carry on.
So it's still going, right?
Yeah, it is almost, and it's taking like 82 seconds it seems.
Yeah. Okay.
So in the process, do we prepare even nodes?
What is that? I missed your point.
It's, yeah, means while configuring, right? Do we prepare even the
Huh.
nodes? Means we were discussing initially, like nodes, right? Data nodes and things like that. Do we
Node,
configure
yeah.
these things as well, or?
Yes, we will do that.
Yeah. He has been selling that Apache will cost you around $1,200 per node, something in that manner. Yeah, if you go through how exactly things work, then we'll have a better idea, I believe.
True. So 7 only
And
we
it's
have to.
Java 7 has worked out. Installing.
Okay. So next what we have to do is
Outdated catch it downloads.
yeah, almost it is done.
Yeah, it has downloaded. I think it is installing now.
Yes. So what I have to say now is we have to update the um, alternate Java. I mean, we have to make this as a default installation for Java.
Okay.
So there is a command, I'll tell you. I think the same link whatever you got through that also has
That's
that.
that.
Java 6 is no more.
Yeah, it is done. Plugin is
Done?
installed.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, then that can you go to that link, whatever you had opened some time back?
Yeah. This was the link.
No, that's,
Is this right?
Java version you can.
7.
No. Java version can you run in that console or terminal?
Yeah. 1.7.055 it seems. 7 browsers
Oh,
are
okay.
installed. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And Java
Runtime and
version also try. I think
Java.
it is not showing here. Java, then hyphen version.
Okay. Yeah, that's what it was asking to test. Yes. 1.7.0 underscore 55. It's going to be the same thing.
Then okay, fine. Then we can go to the
Hotspot
same
VM.
link again.
Okay. Now checking your installation.
Okay. This is the command sudo update hyphen java alternatives -s, then java 7 hyphen or yes.
So shall we do it with 6 now?
7 will try, then we'll see.
Yeah. Already we have done all this hard work, right?
Yeah. Have you tried that or?
Which one?
That one, making default
Alternate?
command. Alternate, yes. Java 7 have no Oracle, right?
But it was asking switching between Oracle Java 7 and Java 8 is this command, but it is not doing anything like making it
No,
as
you have
default.
executed 8 or 7. Which command you have executed?
7.
See, what it says is if you have multiple Java also, it will take only this as default. That is what it means.
Okay, so shall I use 7 then?
7 only we have to use. Because 8 we do not have.
Yeah. Sudo update Java alternate hyphen yes Java 7 Oracle, this one, right?
Yeah. So all Sun they have removed now and made everything Oracle. That is what
Oracle, yeah.
what these people.
But Sun was a much better company than Oracle, right? It hasn't succeeded in anything which it has made, but it was very strong in
See, what
conceptual
I felt
background.
is they were very good in doing research and coming up with new stuff, but they didn't have marketing strategy. Or they were
Marketing,
not good at
yeah.
marketing. Yes, sales and marketing was less
Yeah.
because they are the one who had servers. They are the one who came up with MySQL database. They are the one who had Java. Then what did Oracle do? Nothing, just bought it.
Wow, they have a MySQL also done by Sun itself.
Yes. MySQL is the one with, they were driving MySQL and Java both open source together. And Sun has their own server. Sun Solaris operating system they had, Sun hardware they had.
They have, yes. Yeah,
Yes.
they have, even
I don't know, I shouldn't say
Microsoft use a
this.
lot of Sun products.
Yes. I don't know I should say this or not because earlier I was working in Oracle, so done. Okay, great. So next thing what we should do is we have to add now two users.
Yeah.
I'll ping you this thing.
Actually, it hasn't given anything. See, I have given this command. It has asked for a password and I entered. That's all. It hasn't given any message afterwards.
No, it will just change the soft link
This
to
thing.
make sure this. Yeah, that's all. Why it is coming? You
Yeah,
want to
that's all.
power it off and all this? Cancel, I think.
No,
Right?
no. I was changing from full screen to small screen, so
Oh,
it was giving some
okay,
other commands. Yeah.
okay, 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 okay. So
I was
now,
unable to see your this thing. Yeah.
okay, okay. So this is one. Next, what should we do is,
Okay. Shall I type in this now?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is there a space there after add group, add user?
Uh,
Is there a space here?
add user, yes, yes. There is a space, then hyphen hyphen in group, then Hadoop, then HD user.
Hyphen again space in group. Okay. What is room number?
What is enter your new value, changing the user information for this user. Room number, just leave blank.
Yeah. Yes.
So password also you have typed, right?
Yeah, I have typed the password.
Okay, okay, fine.
It is better to write the password.
Now we have to create a SSH access to the this particular user, whatever we have created.
Mm-hmm. So what exactly is add group means? Is it a directory or what is that? What is that commands?
No, in Linux there is something called group and there is something called user. So we have created a group and then we have added a user to it. Right?
Okay, okay. Okay, we are assigning that to user. Okay.
Right, yeah. Just try this.
I cannot paste all this here.
No, one by one only you can. First
No, I
we have
cannot paste.
to switch. No, first we have to, one by one command we have to use. For example, first we have to switch user, su hyphen st user with a space in between. We have to switch user to st user. Then we have to generate a SSH key.
Let's see. The thing is, I cannot copy and paste here because this is in other OS and this is other OS, right?
Oh, okay. I can tell you then.
Yeah.
I can.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's all.
That's the problem. Yeah.
I think you have typed two times
HT
HT
user.
user.
Here it has come in HT user twice.
Where no?
Okay, HT user. Next one is okay. I understood.
Yeah.
I understood. This is HT user again. About thing. You need to command. Type in this thing. SSH keygen.
SU.
SSH.
Just
Right?
do.
SSH.
No, this is not done actually. There's some error only came. We are in still Chaitanya user only. We have to change the user to SU HT user. Yeah, just do SU.
SU.
And space HT user. No, without any hyphen. So I'm just confused with that. There will be a hyphen or not. Yes.
That's all right.
Enter the password whatever you have given.
Yeah, entered. Yeah, it is giving HT user at the rate of, yeah.
Yes, now we have logged in as a HT user instead of Chaitanya 008 user. Okay, now we can try with the next one, SSH hyphen keygen. Just try SSH whether it is there or not, SSH hyphen keygen. No, keygen, G-E-N.
Keygen, okay.
Generator.
Okay. Keygen hyphen T space RSA. It's all right.
Yeah.
Hyphen P. I need to write P also.
We'll do one thing. Just SSH keygen minus help.
Yeah.
Just you can remove all this.
Minus.
We'll see the help. What? No. Keygen will be there. So we wanted to see the help of this.
Yeah.
That's all. You just enter.
Minus help. Enter.
Yeah.
Oh, it has given a host of commands.
Okay. minus P is change passphrase or a private. SSH
Two keys.
keys and
Another is capital P.
what is it? Capital P we have to give, but what we have to give? Let's check. Okay, you can leave it. Enter passphrase. You can leave it. Not needed. That's a default. I mean, no passphrase. We don't want to put any password. So.
Okay. So SSH keygen -t RSA is enough.
What you can do is SSH hyphen keygen minus T RST then space RSA then minus P. You can put 2 times double quote. That means null. We don't want to put any password.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Exactly. Yes. No, there will be a space in between T and 2 that null character.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. Yes. No. I think SSH and hyphen keys and that is one word, right?
Yeah, one word. Yeah.
You have
Yeah, I'll delete that.
typo. Yeah. Yes. No. H is gone. So yeah.
Enter. Enter the file in which to save the key. It seems. What exactly is HT user?
HT user is a user, basically normal user.
Okay, like a guest user.
Like yes.
Okay.
Okay, it is asking you to put that file into somewhere, right?
Yeah.
You can put that into something like this. You can give it. You will have your home directory, no? Right?
Yeah. I have a home directory. Yes.
So into home directory, you can. There will be a .sss folder. We need to copy this keys there actually.
Okay. So it has given, see here, it has home Chaitanya, right? So there is a home directory then.
Yeah. Home HT users you can give. I'll tell you.
Okay. Shall I give the hyphen home HT user?
Wait, I'm pinging you. What you can do is home HT user, then slash
dot
.ssh slash authorized underscore keys. Yes. Yeah, that's all. Okay, done.
So this is the password.
This is basically what you can do SSH now. Yeah, basically it will add as a known host kind of thing. So now you do SSH localhost SSH space localhost.
There is a space between localhost.
No. Localhost is one word.
Okay. Enter.
Yeah.
Connection refused, it seems.
What it is saying?
Connect SSH connect to host localhost port 22 connection refused, it seems.
Refused. We should use that. No? That test this. Connect on local machine with HTTP. Let's try this one. Can you do one thing? Can you go to the host, your home directory, then .ssh directory once?
Okay. cd dot, right?
cd, no. cd slash home slash ht user
Okay.
slash .ssh .ssh. Yes. Press enter. Any directory? Yeah. Just do ls.
Should I write SSH local now?
No. Just do an ls.
Ls. Okay. List of files.
Yeah.
Authorized key dot puv. It has the key which he has given the directory. Yeah.
Authorized key public. There is no config directory, is it? There should be a config directory.
Maybe it is hidden.
Just do one thing.
Yes, here, right?
Man, man, man,
Okay.
then ssh hyphen config.
SSH hyphen config.
Config.
We need to write man or one man?
No, man. Manual page basically.
Okay.
In Linux there is something called manual. There, correct. Press enter. Hyphen or underscore, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to go for an underscore.
Yeah, this underscore. Open SSH client configuration file.
Did it say any option? Okay. SSH config. So command and option SSH config. And SSH.
It's asking something like manual page SSH config file. Search for help or quit.
Why it is not connection failed? General test might fail. Okay. Versus server, etc. In particular, public key authentication. Okay. Can you do one thing? Now we should see.
Yeah.
Hello. VI slash
Yeah.
etc.
Okay, shall I quit now presently?
This you
No.
quit.
It is asking to write help or okay.
Yeah, just
Okay.
Q, press
VI.
Q.
Yeah. I have done that.
Open this file. I pinged you actually. Oh, it is difficult for you. Okay. VI slash etc
Yeah.
slash SSH.
No. Presently we are in .ssh dollar file, right? .ssh. So do we need to go back?
No, it's okay. Otherwise, you do one thing. CD hyphen space tilde.
Yes.
Tilde symbol you press so that you'll be in home directory.
Yeah.
Not slash.
Yeah.
Only tilde, not slash tilde.
Only CD tilde, right? Only tilde. Yeah. I remember it now. Yeah. Now CD, etc, SSH.
Not CD, VI.
Now
VI,
we need to go to this folder, right?
which folder? This is not a folder, this is a file. So we can straight away open it.
Okay. What is the command which I need to write? CD VI?
VI, no. Just remove all. Just VI, then space.
Yeah. VI space.
This slash etc.
Yeah. etc, I will copy that. etc
Slash
SSHT underscore C1G 5G, right?
underscore config. Yeah.
Enter.
Yeah.
It has given so many tilde symbols and asking a new file.
Or this file also not there. Huh?
Yeah.
And where this will be there? Ubuntu 14.
So what exactly we are trying to find?
So what we are trying to do is whatever private key we generated, right? We have to enable SSH, and from this user, it should be able to do SSH to localhost. That is exactly what we are trying to do now.
Okay, so SSH host enabling.
Where SSH config file and Ubuntu. Looks like this 14.04 lot of change happened. 12.04 is the
I should have downloaded
standard.
latest one, I think. So I should have downloaded 12 itself. Yeah.
Yeah, so most of the stuff would have gone, but it's okay.
How do I configure a new Ubuntu installer to accept SSH connections?
It says SSH, there'll be something. Why it is not there is I don't understand. Can you do one thing? Just do etc then SSH.
Actually,
I doubt whether SSH is there or not. You're doing all this. Can you type one thing
yeah.
quickly? Just type
Yeah.
SSH.
Yeah.
Is it there first of all? Looks
Yes.
like
In
SSH
this folder
itself is
itself,
not.
which we got so many tills, right?
Huh. Oh, how to come out of it? Just do escape,
Yeah.
then colon, then Q.
Mhm. Oh, escape. Colon
Colon,
with shift. Okay. Shift.
shift and semicolon,
Enter.
it will become colon. Huh.
Escape.
What happens?
Colon.
Escape, colon, Q.
Yeah. We need to do all at a time.
No, no, no. One by one. Escape.
Okay. Escape. Okay. Okay.
You're out of
Escape.
that, right?
Colon. Q. No, I'm not out of it. Means escape. 1 second. Escape. Shift. Colon. Q. Yeah.
Ah, what it says?
Fine.
You got out, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, I didn't get the problem. You're out of that, right?
Actually, we got the same error.
Okay. Just do
Yeah,
SSH
I'm
once.
out of that. I'm coming. I
Yeah,
come
yeah.
into the terminal. HT user.
Okay.
SSH. That's all. SSH enter.
Ha, ha.
So we got a list of things.
Oh, then SSH is there. Where this config file is then? Hmm. The user HT user, right? So we have to give access SSH access to it, for which we had created we have generated a key. This key basically we have to put in a correct place, or into config file we have to enable this basically. Then everything will be all right. Because if you would have seen SSH localhost, if we do from this user, it says now connection refused, right?
Yeah.
So that error we have to solve. This connection refused error, we have to solve it. So how to solve this? Basically, if we go to
Sorry, can you see this? This is the error we got it. I think so. I'm not sure.
this port 22, you are saying okay. This one sec. The sudo apt something apt get something, some command was there, right? Is it like
How to
if we
configure?
go sudo ufw allow 22? Is this the one?
I didn't get you.
UFW, what it is? UFW?
Wait, where is UFW? Open source. Yeah, sudo UFW allow 22, right? Yeah.
We can try otherwise that.
That's very okay. Shall we try all these 3 set of things?
No, one only is needed. All others we have already.
We already done that, right? Yeah. Copy, paste. HTTP is not in the sudo file. This indication will be reported, it seems.
Yes, that. See, what we have to do is, without doing this, there is a SSH daemon. SSH is a daemon which is running. In the config file, if you add this user, new user, whatever we have created, and there will be some option whether allowed or not. So that option we have to say yes, then everything will be all right. So can you do one thing? Can you find this config file SSH daemon config file for Ubuntu 14.04, and in that we have to make this enable.
One second.
Okay, I'll pass it on one link to you. Just go through this link. It'll give you some idea what we are trying to do. Ubuntu group community only. So similarly we have to try this for the, see, it's very simple. The new user whatever we created, from there we should be able to do SSH to localhost. That's all is our intention now.
We're stuck with.
Once we are done with this, then almost we are through. We can download Hadoop and and install it. No, next thing is disabling IPv6. That's not a challenge. That's simple command. Then once we do it, we can install Hadoop on that. Okay. So can you do it?
Exactly. Yeah, means do I need to study this whole article and?
No. That is to give an idea that what exactly SSS, why we are doing all this. You asked, right? Yeah. But the intention, once you read that, you will get an idea how to add it. I am not getting that SSSD underscore config. If that config file will go and just add it, that is it, done.
Okay.
Can you do it?
SSHD config file, right? Yeah, I'll try to do it. Yeah, definitely.
Okay. See, the name might have changed. I don't know what this to 14.04 would have done. See, the intention is SSH is a daemon which is running in the backend. So the config file for that daemon, that's where we have to go and change it.
Okay. What exactly the change we need to make?
The change we need to make, actually, that link says, or else I'll just see. Okay, I'll just ping you this some sentence that will tell you what exactly we want to do. See, this public key authentication, there is one field will be there in the config file.
Okay.
This we have to make it yes. Then this authentication, public authentication, will be allowed. That's exactly that's exactly is given here also in this link. Whatever I had given you, that also says the same thing, but it is to be specific. This is what we have to do.
Okay. Yeah, that's what you had tried initially, right? ETC.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's exactly it, right? But probably the
It was not allowing us.
this yeah.
Yeah. Procedure has might changed. Yeah. I'll
Correct.
try to
Yeah.
find it out. Yeah.
Hmm? Yeah. So once we do it, then we will go ahead with IPv6 changes and install. See, I have all these things ready, but since you have a Mac machine, you didn't want to change that. So it is a hack we are doing, or by some other means, we'll make it work. That's what we are doing now. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyway, we are
Because
learning also new. Tell me.
no, if I want to install again Windows, right? I'll have all OSs in my system, like Mac, Windows on the top of it again.
No, now there is no point. Anyway, already Ubuntu installed. So worst case,
It is
12.04
working.
we have to install.
Yeah, even that won't take a big time actually. It took
Yeah,
just
that
like
don't.
20 minutes, that's all. It took only
Uh-huh.
20 minutes to install. Yeah, it was
Right.
very quick.
Yeah. So that's not a problem. And do one thing. Once you are done, then probably you can drop an email. I'll give you my email ID.
Yeah, sure.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I got it.
TC Hadoop1 at the rate
At
outlook.com.
Outlook. Yeah, I got it.
So just drop me an email. Then
Sure.
I think,
If I get any question, I'll let you know.
yeah.
Most probably, I think I can find this out because you've given me very clearly, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Means all we need to do is we activate that particular public authenticity
Exactly.
key which we initially created.
Yes.
Created it.
Yeah. And after that, you should be able to do SSH local host should not be refused. It should work. Right. That is what we
the
are.
command which we tried initially. Okay.
Yeah. So just don't forget that the user what we should be logged in as a HD user, not as your Chaitanya or root. Got it, right?
Yeah. Okay. Means how to log in as a HT user then?
We have logged in, right? I mean, as you are logging in, when you initially start on or start the VM, it will ask you username, password, right? Or right now you would be giving Chaitanya 008 or something, right?
Yes.
Instead of that, you can give this also.
Okay. Instead of that, we should use HT user directly.
See, there are two ways. Either initially you log in with this, okay? Another way is log in with your administrator. Then SU command is for switch user. You remember we have executed a command called SU HD user. So that command is nothing but switch user.
Okay.
So from Chaitanya user, now we have switched user to the
Yes. Yeah, that's what I wanted to. Means we created the HT user and then we switched it. But I was not
so
sure
that
which
means
command we used. Yeah. SU.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the switch user command basically change switch user from one to other, like that.
Yeah. This is easier, right?
Okay. Yeah, easier that.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Sure.
I have to. Yeah. Okay, we'll meet you then tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Yeah.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Yeah. Okay.
Bye.